Hey everyone, today we're at Universal Orlando at the brand new Terra Resort here near Epic Universe, the brand new theme park at Universal Orlando. And before we get to the room tour, we did want to mention one thing that we wish we would have known before booking our stay here. This hotel is not finished yet, and it is still under construction. Therefore, during your stay, you may hear construction noises or be impacted by construction workers still working on the brand new hotel. We wish we would have known this before booking. We would have chosen a different location, as we were interrupted numerous times by loud noises in the morning from the ongoing construction work, as you will see here later in this video. So just before we get to the room tour today, we wanted to give you a heads up if you're thinking of staying here. The hotel, the staff is very kind, but just be aware there is ongoing construction. Now we'll begin with the room tour. Hi. Are we at a brand new hotel? Yes, we are. We're at Universal Orlando's brand new Terra Resort. Very exciting to be here. This is over by the brand new park, Epic Universe. This is our first time staying here. This is a standard room. We're gonna give you a little tour. As you enter right here, we got a big full-length mirror so you can check out your outfit. Make sure you look cute before you go into the park. Coming further into the room here, to the left is your closet. Pretty large size. It's very tall also. It's got some nice space up there with the extra pillow and blanket. Safe, lots of hangers, steamer, luggage rack, and your ironing board. Very good size there. Temperature controls here next to the closet, so you can make it nice and cool after you've had a long day in the park. And then over here to the right is the bathroom. Nice big makeup mirror, light up with towels. Hair dryer under this shelf there. A little bit of storage. Not a ton, but a little bit. Got some cups and your soap. Over here is the shower and bathtub. Looks awesome. Soap over here as well. And some shampoo and conditioner. Cosmic Ember. Terra branded resort amenities. Very fancy. Towels up here. Coming back over here into the main room. You've got your little beverage station with your coffee maker, ice bucket, some cups. Underneath here is your beverage chiller. No freezer option, but if you need something that needs to stay in the freezer, Bell Services downstairs will be able to help you out. Then you've got, it looks like 4 drawers of, storage space here, pretty large. Very good. TV, phone, old-fashioned pen and paper, which I love, branded Terra. That looks awesome. Some rundown hotel information. Anything you need, they're happy to help you. The staff is very friendly. What's in here? Oh, look at that fanciness. There's your plugs. USB, USB-C, and some regular outlets. Very fancy. Put those back. Oh, nope. There you go. All right. Nice couch with a little table. So you can have your breakfast over here, a little snack, relax, cool down, like what we're doing right now. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We just got done with a little half day over at Epic Universe. Now we're gonna take a little break and then we'll go back over there. Show you that view there in a second. Look at the beds. There's 2 queen beds, looks like. See if I can zoom out so you can see them both. And Ernie over there. I'll also mention this resort, even though it is a Lowe's hotel, and Lowe's hotels in general are pet friendly, this resort is not pet friendly. So only service dogs are allowed. You'll find pet friendly hotels over at the Hard Rock, Universal, Sapphire Falls, Royal Pacific, and Portofino. Those are pet friendly. I'm not sure if Helios is pet friendly. I know Stella Nova is not. I'll double check. I'll put it up here on the screen right now if Helios is pet friendly. I don't think that it is. For some reason, I am only remembering that the premier hotels are pet friendly here at Universal, but I'll double check that, and I'll put the information on the screen right now so that you have it. There's also a very cool planet artwork here over the bed, which is kind of awesome. I like that a lot. It's a pretty good size room. Not bad, not bad. Got an extra little reading light there. Little curtain here. Does this go all the way across? No. Huh. Interesting. Okay. And here in the middle, you have your alarm clock, another charging port, light, remote control for the TV. Very good. Now let's check out the view. We're on the 9th floor, and pretty good view. We can see the park. Yeah, there's the Helios Hotel over there. So if you're going, we're kind of looking at it from the side. Helios there on the left, main entrance. For everyone else over here, like right in there on the right. So we're pretty close. I think, okay, I know that they say that you can't walk, but can you? I see a path from Stella Nova. I see it right there. There's a walking path right there. And that walking path goes over to that stoplight, and then right there is the theme park. So from Stella Nova, you can definitely walk over. The question is, can you get to the other side of the street from here? I think we're gonna have to investigate this further. It doesn't look like it. This is a very strange roundabout intersection. So you'll probably have to take the bus. But we'll investigate further, and then if you can walk, we'll show you the path. But the buses are pretty good. They used to come right over here. I don't know if you can see, if I can get over there. It's over here on the left, I'm sorry, on the right. And they come pretty frequently. We haven't had to wait more than 5 minutes, so that's not bad at all. But yeah, we're here for a few nights. Very excited. Check out the new theme park, new hotel. Of course, we'll do a resort day video as well so that we can check out all the food and all of those options. Go see the pool for everybody that likes to go to the pool. And it's gonna be fun. I'm super excited.